Hey
everyone, welcome back to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. For today's video, we're going to make a new type of old-fashioned. You might be able to guess it. You saw the title already. You might be able to guess it from what's on the table. We're going to do a tequila old-fashioned. I've actually never had this before. We've made on this channel multiple times a whiskey old-fashioned, black old-fashioned. In fact, our first video ever was a whiskey old-fashioned. We've done rum old-fashioned. Never actually did a tequila old-fashioned. And now that I've kind of stepped my tequila game up a little bit, thanks to some people in the comments, I've found some better tequilas. Really has opened my palate up quite a bit to more than just margaritas or shots of tequila, and kind of the flavor profiles you can get out of a good quality 100% agave tequila. So for this one, we're using, like I said, a 100% agave tequila. This is El Tesoro. This is the Reposada. They make a Blanco. They make an Añejo. It's a $45 to $60 bottle of tequila. Certainly not on the cheaper side, but when you compare it to like a Class A Azul, which goes for about twice the price, and aren't 100% agave, this has no additives in it. This is brings out the taste because the agave they use, the methods they use. They don't add other fillers to it to make it cheapen the kind of flavor. So for this drink, we're going to go ahead and do 3 ounces of our El Tesoro. I got an 1.5 ounce jigger here, so we'll use 2 of these. We use bitters next. Everything else is very similar to how you do an old fashioned. I realized when I went to make this video, I was out of Angostura. I have a nice collection of craft bitters back here. So for this one, we're going to use the Fee Brothers Whiskey Barrel Aged Bitters. It's the first time I used it, just opened it up. I know I like their other stuff, so we'll give that 3 squirts in there. And then we're going to give this about a 1/4 ounce of agave. We're just going to go ahead and use a bar spoon for this. And that's enough. All we're doing is kind of sweetening it up a little bit, just adding some sweetness. That's really what an old fashioned is. We'll stir this up. Then we're going, oh, it smells fantastic. We're going to strain that over a large rock. Oh, I love the color on this stuff. And then again, just like with a whiskey old fashioned or a bourbon old fashioned, we're taking an orange peel. I love now using the potato peelers. It was always so difficult to cut a good piece of orange. A little trick is the potato peeler, the vegetable peeler. Works great, especially for these videos, to make a much more nice looking piece. We're going to go ahead and give it a little squeeze. What we're getting is the oils out of there. It's probably hard to see, but you can see those squirting out. Give it a rim around the inside. Go ahead and drop it in and garnish. Looks hard of cherries. Drop that in there. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Cheers. Yeah, that's a lovely drink. Again, I've gotten more into tequila lately. This El Tesoro is one of my favorite offerings I've picked up. Combining it with the other ingredients of an old-fashioned, there's some familiar taste there that you get out of your regular bourbon or whiskey old-fashions, but the tequila really adds some new flavors, and I love this. I'm going to have quite a few more of these, I think. So, guys, thanks for joining. Please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers.